Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wanted to spice up your Canva projects by layering one video on top of another, maybe to add B-roll footage, reaction shots, or just get creative with overlays, you're in the right place. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to add a video or image over your main video, adjust their sizes and timings, and give your work that polished, professional touch all inside Canva. No fancy editing software needed. Let's jump right in and get started together. First things first, head over to Canva. Just open up Canva in your web browser or app if you haven't already. If you're new to Canva, don't worry, it's all very intuitive. Once you're logged in, look up towards the top right and click on that big friendly Create button. This is your main gateway to starting any design. For this tutorial, we're focusing on video, so go ahead and click on Videos. This will set you up with the right dimensions and timeline for editing. Now pick the main video you want to work with. You can upload your own or choose from Canva's library if you just want to practice. Once your video is on the timeline, here's a really handy trick: splitting the video. This lets you insert or overlay other media at just the right moment. So move the playhead to the spot in the timeline where you want the overlay to begin, maybe where you want to highlight a product or switch up the visuals. Right-click on the video in the timeline and select Split. Don't worry if you haven't done this before. It's as simple as slicing a loaf of bread, and you can always undo if you change your mind. Next, we're going to add that second video, your B-roll or overlay footage. Grab the video you want to use and drag it onto the first split part. This is where you get creative. Resize and position this overlay clip so it doesn't completely cover the main video. Maybe you want it in the corner, like a reaction video, or filling part of the screen to show extra context. Just click and drag the handles to shrink or move it around. Think of this step like picture-in-picture on your TV. It helps your viewers focus on two things at once. Take a moment here to align the timing. It's important that your overlay video matches up with the part of the main video you want it to run over. For example, if your split segment is 10 seconds, make sure the B-roll starts and ends in exactly that window. Canva lets you trim the overlay clip by dragging its edges on the timeline. Don't stress if this takes a minute. Getting the timing just right will really make your video feel seamless, and you've got some wiggle room to adjust. Now a quick word about transparency. With the overlay selected, you can set its transparency level. If you want the overlay video to stand out boldly, leave it at full opacity, or set it to 0 if you decide you want a quick fade-out effect. Sometimes lowering the transparency is perfect for showing two ideas at once, like a person narrating with visuals playing behind them. You can experiment here until it looks just right. For the next part, we'll switch things up a bit. On the second part of your split main video, let's add an image as another overlay. Maybe you want to highlight a product, show a chart, or just break up the visuals. Drop your image onto this section, resize, and place it wherever works best. Again, you can tweak how long the image appears by adjusting its bar on the timeline. When you're happy with how everything lines up, take a moment to hit play and preview your creation. Watch the transitions, see how the overlay pops in and out, and double-check that everything feels smooth. If anything looks off, don't hesitate to pause and do some fine-tuning. This is how the pros do it. And just like that, you've layered videos and images like a Canva master. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or want to see more Canva tips. Don't forget to hit subscribe so you never miss out on our latest creative tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.